Onions at night could extend your life significantly. My grandmother lived to 97 with remarkable health. Every evening, she ate a small portion of cooked onions with her dinner. I always thought it was just her preference until I discovered the science behind this simple habit. Recent research reveals why this humble vegetable might be one of nature's most powerful longevity foods. Last month, I started incorporating onions into my evening meals after reviewing compelling studies. Within weeks, I noticed improved sleep quality and better digestion. This discovery led me to investigate 10 remarkable benefits that make onions a longevity superfood. Benefit number 1 involves powerful antioxidant compounds. Onions contain quercetin, a flavonoid that neutralizes harmful free radicals throughout your body. The Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry published research showing quercetin reduces cellular damage associated with aging processes. Quercetin concentration is highest in red onions, followed by yellow varieties. These compounds protect your NAV from oxidative stress that accumulates over decades of living. Eating onions regularly provides your cells with protective antioxidants that support healthy aging. Benefit number 2 addresses cardiovascular health improvement. Onions contain sulfur compounds that help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that people eating onions daily had significantly better heart health markers. The sulfur compounds also prevent blood clots from forming in your arteries. This natural blood-thinning effect reduces stroke and heart attack risks without pharmaceutical side effects. Your cardiovascular system benefits from onions' protective mechanisms. Benefit number 3 involves enhanced immune system function. Onions contain prebiotic fibers that feed beneficial gut bacteria. Approximately 70% of your immune system resides in your digestive tract, making gut health crucial for disease resistance. Regular onion consumption strengthens your microbiome diversity, improving your body's ability to fight infections and diseases. This enhanced immunity becomes increasingly important as you age and natural defenses weaken over time. Benefit number 4 addresses inflammation reduction throughout your body. Chronic inflammation accelerates aging processes and contributes to numerous age-related diseases. Onions contain anti-inflammatory compounds that help control this silent killer. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that onion extract significantly reduced inflammatory markers in study participants. This anti-inflammatory effect protects your organs from damage that accumulates over years of living. Benefit number 5 involves blood sugar regulation and diabetes prevention. Onions contain chromium, a mineral that helps insulin work more effectively. Stable blood sugar levels protect your blood vessels and organs from diabetes-related damage. The fiber in onions also slows sugar absorption, preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes after meals. This protection becomes crucial for maintaining health as metabolism naturally slows with aging processes. Benefit number 6 addresses bone health and osteoporosis prevention. Onions contain compounds that improve calcium absorption and bone density. A study following elderly women found that those eating onions regularly had stronger bones than non-consumers. Peptides in onions also reduce bone breakdown while promoting new bone formation. This dual action helps maintain skeletal strength that typically declines after age 50, especially in women following menopause. Benefit number 7 involves enhanced liver detoxification capabilities. Onions contain sulfur compounds that support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Your liver works constantly to remove toxins that accumulate from environmental exposure and metabolism. Supporting liver function becomes increasingly important with age as toxin exposure accumulates over decades. Onions provide your liver with tools needed for efficient toxin removal and cellular repair processes. Benefit number 8 addresses cancer prevention through multiple mechanisms. The National Cancer Institute recognizes allium vegetables like onions for their cancer-fighting properties. These vegetables contain organosulfur compounds that inhibit tumor growth and development. Population studies show that people consuming onions regularly have lower rates of stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancers. While onions alone don't prevent cancer, they contribute to overall protective dietary patterns. Benefit number 9 involves improved cognitive function and brain health. Quercetin in onions crosses the blood-brain barrier, protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. This protection may help prevent age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases.